Hey guys, Steve Lamb here with at St. Albert Dodge with our 2015 Grand Cherokee Overland. This model has keyless entry, push to start, so all the keys stay in your pocket the whole time and you just push to start it and never get locked out of your Jeep because it doesn't lock unless the keys are on the outside and with you in your pocket. This comes with the legendary 5.7 liter V8 Hemi power plant in this model. This pre-owned vehicle does have 3M already installed from the previous owner, which is awesome to know. No rock chips or dents or scratches. It's got the LED light package with your LED low beams and your LED daytime running lights with your LED fog lights as well. Comes with a nice chrome tow hooks as well in the front fascia. This one has all the technology on it and all the safety features. This one comes loaded with the 20-inch all-terrain TA tires. It's got the signal mirrors as well as blind spot monitoring. It also comes with the tankless, capless fuel filler, so you don't have to mess around with the cap, which is awesome and nice when, especially on those cold days. And then coming to the back, we do have parking sensors in the rear as well as a backup camera. And this model specifically has a nice tow package that doesn't come standard with all the Jeeps. It's very capable of pulling, so if you're pulling any toys, that's a nice feature to have. In the back here, we have a power lift gate, tons of room in the back. Once again, the previous owner was very meticulous, so it comes with these all-weather, the WeatherTech trunk tray and mats, which is nice to know. This one comes loaded with the Alpine stereo with a built-in subwoofer in the back. And nice to know that this vehicle comes with a full-size spare tire because a lot of vehicles don't these days. Great feature to have. And then, yeah, we're going to go into the next video and we're going to take a look at the interior, guys. Looking in the back seat of this roomy, beautiful, light brown interior. This leather is in immaculate condition. We have seats that recline like a lazy boy, which is nice. Lots of room for full-grown adults. We got the WeatherTech mats from the previous owner, as I mentioned in the previous video, which is nice to know. It's been protected and it's clean. Very mint condition interior. We got a 115 volt house plug here for charging your phones or whatever you want to do. If you want to blow dry your hair or something. You got USB connectors, and the special thing about this car is it's got heated rear seats as well in the Overlands. A lot of the Grand Cherokees don't have that option, which is awesome. And then we also have a big gigantic panoramic roof that goes right to the back. Great for the kids, great for looking at the stars and the moon. And then we're just going to come look at the front, guys. Hey guys, now we're in the beautiful front seat of the 15 Overland. This vehicle comes fully loaded with navigation. You got your controls here. You got heated seats, a heated steering wheel, awesome for the winter. These models are very unique because they have vented air-conditioned seats as well. If you've never tried them, you have to. They're amazing. I love it. It's an awesome feature to have all year round. And then down here we have the Quadra-Drive II four-wheel drive system. You have auto mode, sand, snow, and mud and rock modes. You also have your airlift suspension on these Overland units. That's very unique just to the Overlands as well. Hill descent control and four-wheel drive low for those mucky situations or if you're 4x4ing at low speeds. Over here on the steering wheel, we have this luxurious wood grain wheel, and then you have all your cruise control settings here. This is for your intelligent cruise control, so you can set your distances and set your speeds when you're on the highway. Super convenient. Over here you have your cell phone controls. Very simple to use, and these buttons here are for all the center stack to control all your information that you see on the screen, tire pressures, temperatures, and oil temperatures, everything that you need to see. It's a very spacious and luxurious leather interior. The color is amazing. Don't miss out, guys. Thanks for watching. My name is Stephen Lamb. If you want some more information, please give us a shout at 780-458-8660. Have a great day, guys.